Let me show you how to solve this question step by step. We are asked to obtain the value of x in 12 divided by root of 3 raised to the power of x equals to 144. How will you approach this question? Look at the question. We are having 12 divided by root of 3 raised to the power of x equals to 144. The first step is that I would like to rationalize 12 over root of 3. I want to rationalize this. To rationalize this, I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by what? Root 3, right? 12 times root 3 will give me what? 12 root 3, right? And then root 3 times root 3 will give me the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is what? 3. So I'm going to have 3 here, right? 12 divided by 3, what's the answer? That is what? 4. So I'm going to have 4 root 3. So let us replace what we have here as what? 4 root 3. This raised to the power of x is equals to 144. Are you following? Okay, do not forget that 4 can be written as square root of 16. Is that not it? So I'm going to have the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 144. Is that not it? Yes. Okay, do not forget that if you have square root of a multiplied by square root of b, this can be written as square root of a times b. Is that not it? So that means that square root of 16 times square root of 3 can be written as square root of 16 times 3. This will be raised to the power of x, and we're going to have it equals to 144, right? Okay, square root of 16 times 3, that is what? 48. So I'm going to have square root of 48 raised to the power of x is equals to 144, right? 48 raised to the power of x over 2 is equals to 144. Now, let us square both sides. This square will eliminate these two. So I'm going to have 48 raised to the power of x equals to 144 squared. The next step is that I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So applying natural log to both sides, I'm going to have ln x ln 48 is equals to 2 ln 144, right? To get the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by what? Ln 48. So this over ln 48 and this all over ln 48. So x will be equals to 2 ln 144 divided by ln 48, right? So x will be equals to 2.56, which is the final answer. That is the approximate value of x. You can see that the question is beautiful and the solution is interesting, okay? Thank you very much. If you have any question as touching this, let me know in the comment section, okay? Ask me a question. If you find it difficult comprehending this, ask me a question in the comment section. I'm going to respond. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, okay? See you in the next class.